Good morning.
Hey, Guido. Wait, you hear me, Guido?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. You can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is how it works. So over here is the daily chart on this side. The one I just pressed. So this is the daily side. So as long as it's under the road, under this yellow line, which we're gonna just call this the yellow brick road. As long as it's under the yellow brick road, it sells. If it's above it, it buys. Okay? And it's just like that. So it was above the road here, and it bought for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It bought for a lot of days up. As long as it stayed above this road, you could have just kept entering right here like this. Now it's below the road, so you will be looking for sales. So it's on a daily chart over here. And then over here, it's the 1 hour that I'm looking at. So I'm looking for it to align with this daily chart because it's under the road here on this daily chart. So I'm looking to take sales on the daily. According to the daily, the overall direction is to sell. Come up right here to a point of entry, like right up here. That's around like 243. That's about right. Yeah, because that's where it's selling from. So it's under the order block on the daily, so I'm looking to take sales on the dime. So gold is under order block. It's under this right here. What I'm waiting for is a flat candle to come out on the 1 hour right here. Like, see how this is a flat candle?
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for a flat candle to come out like that on this daily to confirm the sell for gold. Because I want it under the yellow brick road, just like here is under the yellow brick road. So if it's under, it's selling. But a good candle that I would be looking for is the flat candle, like the flat Hakanashi candle. So if it's flat at the top coming out, I will get in for a sell right here on gold. But I'm waiting for the confirmation. I don't want to take anything yet. And that's basically just how you use it. So as long as like it's above the brick road, you buy it, below, sell it. That's why I said it's gonna be easy. Yeah, oh, see cold, man. This shit gonna be breezy. But uh, so this right here, Bitcoin been above the brick road, but it's under the brick road on the 1 hour, and it looked like it's coming under on the daily. So I will wait for it. You don't do anything. If it's inside the road, like if it's inside here, you don't do anything. You wait for you get something that's out of it on the top or the bottom. So you gotta wait for it to confirm underneath the road. So Bitcoin is not doing nothing. Verse 30 is in the road. It's not above or below. Gotta wait to see when it open up. Always do. Still do your markups on your chart. We ending out the month this week, so on the 1st of August, you would mark up your monthly. You'll mark up your monthly on the 1st, August 1st, which is in about 2 days. Is the first. So start at your week. So, so what I did was I marked the top of the previous week and the bottom of the previous week in the middle. The fib to draw, hollow, middle. See even on a weekly. That Nas is in a sell trend. It's in a downtrend. And down here, still your mark off your liquidity areas. Your areas where it's buying from is down here still. So we know it has to continue to sell just to correct this area. It has to finish correcting. So it buys back up. Right down at here is where it comes down. Rejection. And according to this, I'm still selling, but we want Nas to come up some. Right around 245. And take a sell from probably up there because we have it under the brick wall right here, so we know it's still selling. That's still 019. It's coming to 18732. 760. So you can do it to 18760. It's coming on the daily. It's coming down to 18732. That's lower than what I have it right here. So you can take it between 18760 and 18732. In between that marker, you can set your take profit. And let it come up to about 19,245 before you enter or higher. So you can set an alert to come up here. It's on the 4 hour. Set an alert for the 1 hour. So when it come up above here, you should get an alert to your phone. That's your sell area. So it should take profit for no more than 1%. Go. We need gold to come beneath. We get a candle. Flat candle opening coming below 23.86. Then now we'll confirm it sell for gold. Now, now, I gotta wait for this thing to go back up. See, even on a 30-minute, need to come below the road. Like can't below the road. I'm like this on the daily right. So it looks like it's respecting it. This the mid-level market we have is respecting its level, so that's where it's rejecting it. So right now that's where it's selling. And just like I said, long as it's underneath this, look for the sales. And it's aligning with what this is saying, the yellow brick road is saying. So this is a confirmation to what we're seeing on the chart right here. That is rejecting from right here in the midway. It's it got it.
So those numbers are different on those two charts.
The number is not, it's actually confirming right here. This is where it's rejecting from. Let me show you. So on trading view, I got it rejected from
Okay. Okay, I see it.
You see what I'm saying? The
Uh-huh.
middle line, the middle line right here.
Yep.
That's 23,940, 23.92, right? Show you.
I was looking at the bottom line.
This one,
No, on the other one, that's what on the other chart, I was confused because I was looking at the numbers on the bottom line, but I see where I was messing up at.
down here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I was looking at the wrong one.
So you understand what I'm saying? Where I say where it's rejecting from, right?
Uh-huh.
Like the area where it's selling from. So you know what I'm saying? Like it's underneath. When it's underneath the midway, y'all look for sells. When it break above that midway, then you look for buys. So it's respecting that area. So we looking for sales anyway. And the yellow brick road is aligning with what we looking for. So it's just a smart call. It's under the brick road. He said you want to take them when it's under the brick road. You do get several opportunities each day to enter. Like at the top of the day, like times about that's why I wanted it to do the call before opening bell because it's before the market open. You can see which direction you looking at to get into the market so you know you're gonna be looking for sales on gold and you know it's a good call. You trading with the trend, you trading with price, how price is moving, price is selling. So your confirmations just gotta add up. So your confirmations add up, you take the entry and you let the market do what it's gonna do. It gotta, I mean, according to this, it's gotta come down. This is where the area where it's buying up from. So it's definitely not done selling. And the dollar is growing, especially after the banking crisis that you sent me. You see, I had put this up the other day. Watch for news that will have the dollar increase. Now, if their currency is weakening, our currency is strengthening. If we look at the USD JPY, that's it. Yeah, look,
Okay.
see, see how that thing's selling? That thing been selling for days. And right here at a buy area, it's starting to buy back up. Let's see what it's saying over here. Yeah, see, it's even buying on this. So it's already above. This would be like good for a buy, the way it's moving. It's above the yellow brick road on the 1 hour. You need it to come up above on a daily. Right where is that on my chart? It's in the buy area. You see? So this is just a line of what's happening, what I'm seeing right here. So it's a confirmation. Like if we was gonna take USD JPY, we would take it here. All right, check the currency strength. Yeah. Yeah, see how strong the dollar is right now compared to the JPY? You can see
Yes.
and look,
Yes.
come right over here. It's above the yellow brick road, bro. And that thing shooting up, bro. All confirmations on this. And we never traded this, but it moves 184 points in a day.
Mm.
So that's nice.
I was just gonna ask you if you trade this.
No, I've never traded. You gotta know if you're gonna trade the news, you gotta know how the news is and how you can calculate that. We already seen what was happening with the dollar right here, based off of the dollar index on where it's at. Just like looking at the chart, you looking at this chart, you know it's some news that's gonna happen because based off of the area that it's in. It's in this area right here where it's been buying from, where it's been going up from, the dollar. So I said, watch for news that's gonna increase this dollar. And what happens? Okay. 40 banks collapse in a week. Like, that's not a coincidence. It's in the area where the dollar got to increase. Let's have something happen. It's in the area right here where it got to buy from. Watch something happen. It's been declining. The dollar's been declining. Okay, now the dollar's going to buy back up right here. News happened. We're going to weaken the JPY and we're going to increase the dollar. And the news is going to justify this happening. Even it's not just because it's in this area. Yeah, it's because it's in this area where the buy area is, where it's the buy area, where the orders come in, the buy orders come in. And it's a strong buy area because it's off the weekly time zone where it's been buying from on a weekly. So it's a strong area of support. Yeah. So we know that it's buying from. And then this right here is just adding up to what we already seeing on the chart. It's a confirmation. I'm not saying not take this trade. Why not? Hell yeah. It's money. You trading you can't go wrong trading currency. It's not like saying, oh no, I don't typically trade this. So no, listen, but this is a money move right there. USD JPY. It's Forex. You still gonna make money. And this thing gotta like if you wanna say get in and like hold this is a nice one. Area wise and all of that. As long as it's above that yellow brick road, you can hold it. They really got to come. We got to do all of this. This is a long trade. USDJPY. Because just take a look at this. You see this? When it's under the when it's under or above the roll, it be under there for days. Look, 1, 2, 3. Like imagine holding it for all of these days. One,
Right.
like that. So what I'm saying, they gotta correct, and it's coming out of a order block. A order block is where the orders is at, right? That's where the buy orders coming in. So when you see this thing down here on this chart, I got it marked up correctly on this chart. You see, this is an order block. This is where the orders coming in. What you see down here on this chart, the order block, same area. A buy, we got a strong buy coming out. Like you can take this for a buy, and it's already above the yellow brick road here. I know I would fucking take it to up right here to the next fucking. You could literally take it from one order block to the next. Like that's a nice ass fucking move to this. Saying. What is Tokyo session? Tokyo session. I think 7 p.m. I'm not mistaken. It's gonna have the most movement. Tokyo session is gonna have the most movement. So, USD, JPY, 7 p.m. So it's gonna move now, and it's gonna move down in Tokyo. So it's gonna be moving between here and here, between New York and Tokyo session. Might have like a little break here, but like if you hold this, that's a nice vibe. but it's definitely gonna be buying now against the currency is strong. Tells you in real time the strength of the currency. Look, that JPY is weak. I guess you can trade that JPY. It's weak. Let me see. Oh, no, that should sell underneath there too. This is a nice sell. GBP USD. Look, uh, flat top candle coming down. That's nice. GBP is weak. That's why you see it so weak. So GBP against the US dollar, the currency strength that will align. The GBP is weak and the dollar is strong, so that's why you see it selling. So under the yellow brick road, that's another one nice way to take right there. This candle right here, this engulfing candle says it's changing direction. Under the bottom. So those are two that you could take. USDJPY, get them for about, see it just close the buy limit. Get them for buying USDJPY. You can get gold for sale and GBP USD for sale. You want me to put you want me to put them in the chat, the entries and everything?
Um, you don't have to today because my account's still onboarding.
Okay. So while you onboarding, I'm gonna put it in there so you have it, so you know when like an area where you can get in and see if you had an area entry once you got your account info. Okay. So you got some good ones though. You got some good ones.
Yeah.
You good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it out and I'm gonna put those in the chat.
Okay.